Meanwhile, an anti-Marcos youth movement called Ibalik ang Bilyones ng Mamamayan or IBBM filed a complaint for plunder against Vice Presidential candidate Senator Bongbong Marcos for his alleged involvement in the multi-billion peso pork barrel scam. IBBM spokesperson Rafaela David said the complaint stemmed from Marcos's alleged allocation of 205 million pesos worth of his pork barrel to 6 of the alleged fake non-government organizations allegedly owned by Janet Lim Napoles.
So nakikita natin no, na Bongbong Marcos was actually implicated in the Ben-Hur files. So nandun yung pangalan niya at malaking portion ng kanyang PDAF ay napunta sa mga bogus NGOs ni Napoles. At yun yung gusto nating maimbestigahan sakaling mapatunayan na nagplunder si Bongbong Marcos. Mga 205 million pesos yung nadala o na i-channel doon sa mga bogus NGOs ni Napoles. That's 205 million, a very, very large amount. Kaya makikita talaga natin na yung legacy ng Marcos ay hindi lang yung pagnanakaw during martial law, hanggang ngayon ay ginagawa pa rin nila sa bilang senador naman.
Enclosed with their affidavit is a copy of 9 special allotment request orders or SAROs from the senator's pork barrel. Marcos, who is leading the vice presidential survey, asked about the timing of the complaint. In response, David said,
very timely pa, no? Kasi tumatakbo siya sa vice presidency, the second highest position in the country. And for us, hindi tama at hindi namin hahayaan na magkaroon tayo ng vice presidente na kasagbuat doon sa Napoles scam. Maraming magsasabi no, na baka ito ay pamumulitika lamang. Pero ang totoo, hindi lang naiintindihan ni Bongbong Marcos na young people, youth leaders will not stand idly by. Especially kung ang pinag-uusapan ay isang pinakamataas na posisyon. Kaya kung iisipin ng mga tao na ito ay pamumulitika, in reality, ito ay totoong about a very high position in government. And yes, it's political, but the most important thing is, and that's precisely the point, kailangan panagutin, especially if we want to practice good politics these elections, kailangan panagutin yung mga tinatawag nating na-implicate sa pork barrel scam at siguraduhin na hindi na natin sila maluluklok sa 2016.
Marcos shrugged off this latest issue being hurled against him and branded the case as politicking by the people since it is election season. The senator noted that the case filed against him was an old issue.
It's kind of everything is about politics. Pati yung justice natin nagiging politika na rin. Kaya yan naman ang kailangan natin baguhin at kailangan natin maibalik sa matinong patakbo. We have to remember that it is important that government work is still based on merit, not on politics. Ginagamit yan as a weapon against me. But that is the nature of their kung hindi kayang ipanalo ang kampanya, ang ginagawa bibigyan na lang ng problema ang kalaban.
Alleged PDAF mastermind Janet Lim Napoles had long cleared Marcos of his involvement in the controversy in the judicial affidavit she submitted before the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee at the height of the hearings.